Hey everyone, it's Char from Char Fashion Nation, pre-recording still some videos. So again, this is another TEMU video. And first, I'm gonna show this. Now, my son, like health and all, we're trying to take care of our health because you should. And I should say he recently got some matcha. Matcha is really good. I just have to find my little matcha whisk. I should say Rob's daughter's matcha whisk. Because I did get some for her 1 year with like the little set. But you can get the spinach powder. Look, you can add this into a smoothie. You add this into your soup, your stew. It's versatile. You can put this into whatever you're cooking during the day. You got your liquid in there. You want that little bit of spinach. Boom. It's right there. It's in a powder form. How much do you think you paid for this? A couple of dollars?
You say, yeah, just a couple bucks.
So if you can get this for a couple of dollars, at least that's what it was at the time of purchase when Steve did purchase this. So I will end up trying this out. Maybe you'll see that in a cooking video. And it's really good that it's 100% natural, as it says on the package. That's what it looks like right there. That's it. And it's got the nutritional facts right here on the back. Spinach is good for you. It does have iron in it. So if you happen to be, and I know I've been looking a little yellow lately, if you happen to be anemic, you want to make sure that you have natural foods that naturally have iron in it. I can't take vitamins, so please don't come to me like that. I'm allergic to them. Just like the whole world is allergic to bullshit. So So if you can get something like this for a couple of dollars off of TEMU and read everything on it, make sure you always read it, you can be happy, be healthy, be positive, and as always, stay blessed. And I'll see you. I'm waiting for Rob. And I'll see you.
And the next one.
Bye.